This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by cindy.woolwine. This great two-story traditional home was remodeled in 2019 with fresh paint, updated kitchen with new cabinets and granite countertops, and features stainless steel appliances and new flooring. The house was painted and new carpet installed in 2019. Laundry room features a washer/dryer combination. New shed just installed for outdoor storage. Buyers will want to take a look at this move-in ready home that is close to schools, interstates and military bases. For more information, review the details below.